Hey everybody, I've got one left of these tweezers with an actual stand. I didn't know I had the stand left. We had sold out earlier. So I'm going to put this together. So this part screws into the stand. And the tweezer fits on it. You can turn the tweezer around, open and close, move it back and forth, move it this way, move it up and down. So I've got one left with the stand. If you're interested, there's a link below to purchase. Great for microscopes. Great for showing a customer. Look at that. This is the last one.